Hello students, in the last class we studied a topic called fiber to fabric, right? So we studied basic words, right? Fabric, yarn and fibers, and we also studied about the classification of fibers. So in this class we will study the process involved in the fiber to fabric. Okay, what are the process involved in the fiber to fabric? Okay, for that you have to see first which are the plant fibers. We will discuss the plant fibers first. Okay, so plant fibers, that first one is cotton. Okay, first one we will study about cotton. Okay, have you seen the cotton wool? You have seen, right? Cotton wool, we use it for filling mattresses, we will use it for filling pillows, right? So where do we get this cotton wool from? Okay, as I told in the last class, we get the cotton wool from plant, right? Cotton is obtained from plant, that is cotton plant. So we will see the cultivation of this cotton plant. Okay, cotton is grown in fields. Okay, cotton is grown in field, and it is grown in a place having black soil. The cotton is grown in a places having black soil, and it is grown in the places having warm climate, not cold climate, it needs hot climate. Okay, warm climate. So cotton plant need black soil and warm climate. Okay, after that it produces fruits, right? So the fruits of cotton plant are called as cotton balls. Okay, fruits of the cotton plant are called as cotton balls. Okay, these cotton balls are about the size of a lemon. Okay, these are about the size of lemon, that is about fruit. Okay, after maturing these fruits, or it is called as cotton balls, these cotton balls, they burst. Okay, cotton balls burst and they open. Okay, these cotton balls, they burst open and you can see seeds of cotton covered with the white cotton fibers. Okay, we can see seeds covered with the cotton fibers. And cotton is in white color, right? So when these plants are ready for picking, or when this cotton is ready for picking, these fields looks like a snow covered with the a field covered with the snow. Okay, field covered with the snow. It looks like a field covered with the snow. Okay, because when these balls burst, right, you can see white cotton balls. So the whole field like a field covered with the snow. Okay. After that, these cotton are picked by hand. Okay. Cottons are picked by hand. After that picking, these cotton fibers are separated from the seeds. So, these two are together, right? Seeds and cotton fibers. So, these cotton fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. Okay? Seeds are separated from fibers, and this process is called as ginning. The process is called as ginning. Ginning is a process of separation of cotton fibers from its seeds. So, ginning is the process of separation of cotton fibers from seeds. Understood till here? Okay. And this ginning process can be done by hand or by machines. Okay, by hand or by machines. So, factories are there to gin these cotton fibers. Okay, let us see once again. Plant fibers, and that first one is cotton. Okay, cotton we get from cotton plant, and we see the cultivation. Okay, cotton is grown in cotton field, and it is grown in the places having black soil. Okay, they need black soil and warm climate. Black soil and warm climate. Okay, and the fruits, they produce fruits, and the fruits are called as cotton balls. Okay, and these are about the size of a lemon. Then these balls burst and they open, and you can see the seeds of the cotton covered with the white cotton fibers. Okay, and these fibers or these seeds covered with fibers, then they will pick that. Okay, they start picking by hand. Then these seeds are separated from the cotton fiber. The process is called ginning. Ginning is the process of separation of cotton fibers from the seeds. And this ginning can be done by hand or by machines. See here, this is a cotton ball. There is a fruit of the cotton plant, right? It's a cotton ball that has bursted. See here, these are cotton fibers. This is a cotton ball, and it has bursted, and you can see white cotton fibers. Okay. And here you can see, this is the cotton plants. These are the cotton plants. This is a cotton field. Can you see? So, now you can see this is in the time of picking, right? You can see a snow cover, the field covered with the snow, right? The white colored cotton fibers you can see. So, this looks like a field covered with the snow. See this video of ginning of cotton, okay? The second plant fiber that we are going to discuss is jute. Okay, the second one is jute. Okay, jute, this is also plant fiber that is obtained from jute plant. Okay, so we'll see the cultivation of this jute plant. Okay, jute is a fiber that is obtained from stem of the jute plant. Okay, jute is obtained from stem of jute plant. Okay, not from the fruit part or not from the flower part, but it is obtained from the stem of the plant. Okay, so this plant is cultivated during rainy season. Okay, cultivated in during rainy season. And when it starts flowering, they will harvest these plants. Okay, they are harvested when it starts flowering. Okay, harvested during flowering stage. That is, they will cut these plants when it starts flowering. Okay, then the stems of these harvested plants, they will immerse these stems in water for few days. Okay, stems of these harvested plant is immersed in water for few days. Okay, stems are immersed in water. For few days. After this, they start rotting. Okay, they will rot. They start rotting. They will rot, and the fibers are separated by hand. Fibers of this plant are separated by hand. Okay, this is about jute plant. Jute is obtained from jute plant, and it is the stem part of the jute plant. Okay, these are obtained from stem of the jute plant, and these are cultivated during rainy season and harvested during the flowering stage. When they start flowering, they will cut the jute plant. Okay, and the stems of those harvested plant, they will immerse those plant in water for few days. After that, they start rotting, and the fibers are separated by hand. So in India, these plants are cultivated in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Okay, West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. These are the places of cultivation of jute. Okay, so see here, these are the jute plant. Okay, you can see these are the long tall plants with the thin stems, and these are the stems. From these we get jute fibers. Okay, see the plant. These are after the harvesting, those harvested stem plants, the stem of those harvested plant are immersed in water. See here, the stems of those plant are immersed in water for few days. After that, fibers are separated from those stems. These are the fibers. Okay, you can see these are the fibers separated from those stems by hand. So this is a jute fabric, you can see, and these are the jute fibers. So we studied in this class the plant fibers, right? Cotton fibers and jute fibers and their cultivation. I hope you all understood the plant fibers. See the homeworks. First one is what is ginning. Second one is write the method of obtaining jute fibers from their plant. Okay, write these questions and submit. Okay.